Bills don't stop coming. Your 9 to 5 feels like it's going nowhere fast. And you're watching other people turn random little gadgets into real side income while you're stuck refreshing the same apps. Today, I'm breaking down 15 mini gadgets that can help you generate income with relatively low effort. Most are affordable, easy to start with, and genuinely useful. Let's jump right in. The Rollo Wireless Label Printer. This compact wireless printer hooks up to your phone or computer and spits out clean, professional thermal labels in seconds. No ink needed, super reliable, and it works seamlessly with major platforms. Current prices sit around $150 to $180. Ever finished packing orders and realized you've spent more time printing labels than actually making money? That's exactly why so many small business owners swear by this thing. One friend of mine went from spending hours on fulfillment every weekend to knocking it out in under 30 minutes. Once you have this, scaling your operation feels way less overwhelming and way more profitable. Sticking with labeling but going even more portable, the Bluetooth Mini Label Maker, popular models like Fomimo or similar, are perfect for crafters and small product sellers. This pocket-sized gadget lets you design and print custom labels, price tags, or branding stickers directly from your phone. Battery-powered, easy to carry, and great for on-the-go work. Usually $25 to $45. If you've ever wanted your packages to look like they came from a real brand instead of your kitchen table, this little gadget does the trick. I've seen creators on Etsy use it to build a nice niche around personalized packaging. Customers notice the details and come back for more. If you're creating content to make money, the DJI Osmo Mobile SE gimbal is non-negotiable. In today's competitive creator economy, shaky, amateur-looking footage is the fastest way to lose viewers and revenue. Whether you're filming vlogs, product reviews, TikToks, Reels, or YouTube videos, smooth, professional-looking motion is what separates hobbyists from creators who actually get paid. A solid gimbal like the DJI Osmo Mobile SE instantly levels up your production quality, giving your content that polished cinematic feel people expect from monetized channels. It eliminates frustrating jitter, enables buttery smooth tracking shots, and lets you focus on storytelling instead of worrying about holding your phone steady. Skip this essential tool, and you're leaving money on the table. Invest in stabilization early. Your audience will thank you. Priced around $90 to $130. Better video quality directly translates to more views, higher engagement, and bigger affiliate commissions or sponsorships. Plenty of creators started with shaky phone videos and leveled up to consistent income once they added stabilization. It's one of those small upgrades that pays for itself fast. Pair that gimbal with a wireless lavalier microphone, and your content quality jumps to another level. Tinny built-in phone audio is the fastest way to lose viewers. These tiny clip-on mics deliver clear, pro-level sound without annoying cords getting in the way. $50 to $120 range depending on features. If you're doing unboxing videos, tutorials, honest reviews, or how I made X dollars this month content, this gadget makes your videos sound trustworthy. For resellers and smart shoppers, a portable barcode scanner is like having a profitability superpower in your pocket. Take it to thrift stores, clearance aisles, garage sales, or warehouse clubs. Scan items instantly to check current Amazon prices, demand, and potential profit margins. Compact models go for $20 to $50. This is how sharp resellers find winning flips without guessing. One good find can pay for the scanner 10 times over. It turns out maybe I should buy into data-driven decisions, exactly how you build a consistent side income. Let's talk customization with the Mini Heat Press Machine. Small versions perfect for mugs, t-shirts, hats, or tote bags. You don't need a giant setup to start making custom products. These compact presses are affordable, $100 to $250, and let you create personalized merch quickly. Here's the funny thing, people will happily pay 3 or 4 times more for something once their own name is printed on it. Many creators scale from weekend side hustles into 6-figure businesses by reinvesting early profits into better equipment. The heat press hustle has created countless success stories. If paperwork keeps taking over your desk, this little scanner can save you hours every week. The portable document scanner like Doxy or similar mini models is a hidden gem. Digitize receipts, contracts, client paperwork, or old records on the go without hauling around a big machine. $80 to $150. Virtual bookkeepers and admin support pros use these to offer faster service and charge premium rates. It turns messy paperwork into a streamlined process, and clients love efficiency. Content creators and product reviewers should grab a ring light with tripod. The mini versions are cheap, $15 to $40, but make a massive difference in video and photo quality. Proper lighting stops you from looking like you're filming in a cave and helps products pop. Better visuals mean more clicks, more sales through affiliate links, and stronger personal brand growth. It's a low-cost way to look like you know what you're doing from day one. The mini portable photo printer brings instant fun and profit potential. Print high-quality photos directly from your phone at events, parties, or for custom products. $80 to $130 range. People love taking something home after an event, and that's exactly where this little printer shines. Low material cost and high perceived value make this one surprisingly lucrative. Keeping your tech setup smooth is key when you're running a business from a laptop. Ever unplug your mouse just to plug in an SD card? Yeah, this USB-C hub fixes that problem. Video editors, multi-platform sellers, and online coaches use these to work faster and avoid downtime. Small investment, big productivity boost. For pop-up events or client pitches, a mini portable projector opens up entirely new opportunities. Priced affordably between $50 to $150, this compact gadget is a game-changer for creators and hustlers looking to stand out. Instead of relying on a laptop screen that only a few people can see, you can project your content onto walls, screens, or even sheets for a much bigger, more engaging experience. Suddenly, you're not showing clients a laptop screen anymore. You're putting your work on a wall where everyone can see it. The portability makes it perfect for on-the-go setups, easy to pack, quick to set up, and powerful enough to impress even in low-light conditions. Smart hustlers take it further by combining the projector with other gadgets, like a Bluetooth speaker, phone gimbal, or wireless card reader, to create unique, memorable experiences. These elevated setups allow you to charge higher ticket prices and attract bigger crowds because people are willing to pay more for professional, entertaining, and shareable experiences. Level up your events, impress potential clients, and turn your hustle into something unforgettable. Accepting payments seamlessly matters if you sell in person. A wireless card reader makes it easy. Look professional and get paid instantly at markets, pop-ups, or client meetings. Many crafters and resellers report doubling their in-person sales after adding one. Nothing hurts more than hearing, "I only have my card," after you've already made the sale. With a compact wireless card reader, compatible with major services like Square, Stripe, or PayPal, you can take debit, credit, Apple Pay, and Google Pay instantly. No more awkward sorry, cash-only moments that kill sales. You simply connect it to your phone, swipe, or tap, and the money hits your account right away, often within minutes. This small upgrade instantly makes you look more legit and established at markets, pop-ups, craft fairs, flea markets, or even client meetings. Customers feel more confident buying from you, and you close more sales on the spot. Many crafters, resellers, and handmade business owners report doubling or even tripling their in-person sales after adding a wireless card reader. For the price of a couple of coffees, it's one of the highest ROI tools you can add to your hustle. For the creative makers, the Mini 3D printer lets you produce custom items. $150 to $300 for solid beginner models. This is one of those gadgets that keeps making products while you're thinking about the next idea. Once you dial in a few winning designs, it becomes semi-passive income. The creative community around these is huge and supportive. A strong portable power bank with fast charging and multiple ports is something every hustler ends up relying on. $25 to $60 for good ones. Nothing kills productivity faster than seeing your phone hit 1% halfway through filming. Bundle it with other gadgets or review it for affiliate earnings. And finally, the one that surprised me with its potential was the Mini Embosser, around $30 to $80. Add custom logos, names, or designs to journals, wallets, bags, or products. It's amazing how one tiny embossed logo can suddenly make a product feel twice as expensive. One creator turned custom branding services into a nice recurring revenue stream with minimal ongoing effort. There you have it. 15 mini Amazon gadgets that can genuinely help you start making extra money in 2026 instead of just dreaming about it. Most cost under $150, are easy to learn, and have real earning potential whether you're creating content, reselling, crafting, or offering services. Which one are you most excited to try? Or which surprised you the most? Drop your thoughts in the comments. I read every single one,